Welcome to Yoga with Karishma. I'm Karishma, and today we'll do Surya Namaskar or the Sun Salutation, and we'll do it the traditional way. So we'll start standing in Tadasana or the mountain pose. So we'll stand with our feet hip distance apart towards the front of the mat and palms facing outwards, shoulders relaxed. It looks like we're doing nothing, but it's a very active pose. So get your core engaged, put your weight on your heels. Traditionally, Surya Namaskar is done early in the morning facing towards the east because that's where the sun rises from. But honestly, you can do it any time in the day, and it's a really good warm-up before you do any exercise or yoga. So when you're ready, on inhale, sweep your arms up and we'll do a little back bend. And on exhale, we'll fold forwards. Extend your spine as you go down and fold forward. And press your palms on the floor. And you can bend your knees if you need to. And from here, we will put our right leg back and then left leg back to plank pose. Make sure your hip is lifted a little bit and you press back from your heels. And again, get your core engaged and make your shoulders relaxed. And on exhale, slowly bring your knees down, your thighs and your tummy down. And put your chin on your mat and then relax your toes. And make sure your feet is very active as you go to Bhujangasana or the Cobra pose. So lift your chin up, your chest up, your upper body up, compressing the spine, and go as far as your body lets you. And then tuck your toes in and we'll go to downward dog on an exhale. So lift your hip up all the way up to the sky, extending your spine, and bend your knees if you need to, and press on your heels. And again, relax your shoulders, relax your neck, and then bring your right foot towards your hands, and then left foot towards your hands into the forward fold. And relax your neck and just hang in there. And on next inhale, sweep your arms up. And on exhale, bring your palms together at heart center. And that's half of Surya Namaskar. So we'll do the same thing on the left side now. So bring your hands towards the sides. Core engaged, extending your spine. And inhale, sweep up and back. And exhale, extend your spine and fold forward. Press on the ground with your hands and then push your left leg back this time. And then right leg into plank. Make sure your spine is not going towards the ground. Lift your hip a little bit and get your core engaged. And then slowly bring your knees to the ground and your thighs and your chest. And relax your toes. Bring your chin to the mat too. And then we'll go to Bhujangasana. So inhale. Expand your chest and lift your upper body up. And don't let your neck go back. Just make sure your neck is just extended with your spine. You can look at the front of your mat. And when you're ready, tuck your toes in and lift at your hip to go to down dog. And then this time, bring your left foot forward. And then your right to forward fold. Again, you can relax here, take a few breaths, relax the shoulders and your neck. And then on inhale, sweep your arms up. And on exhale, bring it to your heart center. And that was one full round of Surya Namaskar. And you can pause this video and do this as many times as you want to. This is really good for any level, beginners or intermediate. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Once again, thank you so much for sharing this practice with me. I hope to see you guys on my next videos. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the like button. And hope you guys have a good rest of your day. Namaste.